channel, and if you are new to my channel, then welcome. So from the title you know that today's video is all about Christmas, and this time of the year really makes me happy, guys. I am really excited about Christmas. Christmas always makes me happy. It just brings me so much memories about my childhood, and till now I decorate my houses with Santas, with Christmas tree, and I really enjoy a lot, guys. This is a makeup look which I have came up with for this Christmas, and this video is a sort of a get ready with me for Christmas. So I have created this gorgeous glittery emerald smoky eyes paired with this stunning red lip. And the best part about this makeup look is that, guys, I have kept two lip options for this makeup look. One is this stunning red lip which I am wearing, and the second one is a nude lip. Makeup doesn't have any rule, guys. You can wear whatever suits you and whatever you like to wear. It's all up to you. You can wear a bold lip paired with a bold eye look as I did, and it looks stunning. You can see it seems to be like a Christmas tree, and this one is my secret Santa. So in this video, I'm gonna share this makeup look with you. I'm gonna provide you with a tutorial of this makeup look. So I hope you will like this video, and if you want to know how I got this gorgeous glittery emerald smoky eyes paired with this stunning bold lip as well as with the nude lip, then please keep on watching. So I have done my eyebrows, and now it's time to do my face makeup. And for the foundation, I'm using my current favorite, and this one is from Maybelline SUPERSTAY range. And so I'm taking 1.5 pump of this at the back of my hand, and using small dots, I'm just spreading it all over my face, as you can see. So this foundation has got a really nice coverage, guys. The shade accidentally matches me perfectly. So taking the beauty sponge, I'm gonna blend it, and you can see a single layer of this foundation is providing me such great coverage, and it has covered up almost everything. So if you want a full coverage foundation, you can just give this a shot. For the concealer, I'm using this Wet n Wild PHOTOFOCUS concealer in the shade medium tawny, and this one is not a full coverage concealer. It's a medium coverage concealer, but the shade actually matches me perfectly. So to highlight my face and to conceal the areas where I have some dark spots and pigmentation, I'm just putting this concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, around my jawline, and I'm also priming my eyelids with it, and also blending it with the help of the same sponge. Now to set my overall face so that my foundation and concealer would not budge, I'm using this compact from LAKME, and I'm gonna just set underneath the eyes on my eyelids. So during the winter time, you just don't need to set your overall face, just set your targeted areas to get best results. Now I'm gonna do my eye makeup, and for this I'm using my again current favorite, and this one is from PAC. So I'm taking this light brown shade from the palette in a big fluffy brush, big fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna blend it all over my crease as a transition color. So take your time and build up the color slowly in your crease to get the best pigmentation. Now I'm gonna take this dark brown shade from the palette in a tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna just put it right in the outer corners of my eyes and drag it towards my crease to blend it with the previous crease shade. This will just help to create a gradient on my eyelid. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm gonna blend out the edges so that there will be no harsh lines. Now I'm taking an emerald green kajal, and this one is from PAC. So it's really soft, it's very smooth to apply all over your eyelid. So I'm gonna just apply it all over my eyelid as a base for my next glitter to work on. You can use any green eye pencil you have. You can even use a black gel liner as a base for this sort of makeup look. Now using the smudger it comes with, I'm gonna blend out this kajal to get the best blend out look and to make it a lot more smoother on my eyes. Now this is the star of the show, and it's the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid eyeshadow in the shade Emerald Gaze, and you can see it has got such stunning glitters in it, and it is such a nice eyeshadow to use during the party season. So I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid like this on the areas where I have put the previous kajal. and you can see it looks so stunning, guys. But it sets very fast, so you just need to blend this out very quickly. I'm using a small flat shader brush to just blend out the edges to make it a lot more nice and blend out. Taking a previous transition shade, I'm gonna blend out the edges, but you can see there is a lot of fallouts on the glitters, so I just need to intensify it again using the previous small flat shader brush. Now I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow from the palette and put it right in the outer corners of my eyes to create a depth in my eyes. This will also help me to create the smokiness, and it just pairs so well with this glitter look. Now I'm gonna tightline my upper and lower waterline using a kajal, and this one is from Incolor, so it's a gel kajal. So I'm gonna put it in my upper and lower waterline, but it just works so smoothly, guys. It's nothing very difficult to work with. I have found that it works so nicely, and I'm really liking this product. Now taking a brown eyeshadow in a smudging brush, I'm gonna blend this kajal to make it a lot more smudged out and give it a lot more smokiness. Now taking this eyeshadow at the back of my hand, and in a smudging brush I'm gonna just put it on the previous kajal which I have smoked out on my lower waterline. Now I'm gonna just use a gel liner, and this one is from L'Oreal. I'm gonna just draw winged eyeliner with it, but guys, believe me, it's really difficult to draw winged eyeliner on glitters, so I would just advise you to draw your winged eyeliner at first and then work with your glitters. So I'm gonna create quite a thick and a long wing because it's a dramatic look, it's a party look, and you just need to look very nice and dramatic. So this is how it turned out. For the mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Lash Paradise mascara, and this one is my favorite. I just love this mascara. It adds so much volume and length to your lashes, so I'm going to work it on my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm going to just have a pair of false eyelash. I'll be applying this PAC Mink eyelash number M75. Now it's time to just complete the rest of my face, and for contouring my face I'm using this contour shade from this LA Girl Blush Collection palette, and I'm going to just put it in the hollows of my face where on the usual areas where I just need to create artificial shadows, because using a contour on your face actually helps in making your face look a lot more structured and well defined. So contouring just helps in doing that. I'm going to contour my nose as well. Now mixing these two blush shades from the palette, one is a plummy one and another one is a pinkish blush. I'm going to apply it on the apples of my face to just add a little bit of color. For the highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and it looks stunning. It has become one of my favorites and I am constantly using it, guys. You can see it's such a stunning. It is not at all chunky. It will not give you that textured effect. You just need to try this. It's really a good highlighter. So I'm going to just put it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my nose, cupid's bow and chin. I'm also highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with the help of this highlighter, and also will be highlighting my brow bone with the same as well. So this is how my highlighted face looks like. Now for the first lip option, I am just using this MARILYN shade from NYKAA Ultra Matte Ultra Matte lipstick, and this shade is stunning, guys. It's such a stunning blue toned red shade which just adds such nice, stunning, gorgeous vibes to this look. So it's long lasting, it's super comfortable on the lips, it's not at all drying on the lips, so you can just give this a shot if you want. To set my overall face and to seal everything, to lock up everything, I'm just gonna spritz this L'Oreal setting spray all over my face, and this will just make your makeup last for a very long period of time. For the second lip option, I'm going to use this Maybelline Inti-Matte Nude lipstick in the shade Toasted Brown, which has got a lot of browns and pinks in it, and it's a nude shade which just suits Indian skin tone so well, guys. It just suits me, and I think this sort of nude lipstick look really nice with this sort of bold eye look. You can even wear this as well. And here comes the finished look for Christmas. The end of the video, guys. This is a finished look and I really enjoyed working with this eyeshadow, this Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadow in the shade Emerald Gaze. You just need to try this one, guys. This is such a stunning shade. I'll be probably getting a lot of shades from this collection, though I have another one from this range. I'll be surely using it in my future tutorial. So both of these lip shades look really nice paired with this eye look, so you can just choose whatever you just like to have on the day of Christmas. And I think you can wear this makeup look to a lot of parties for this party season, for the Christmas Eve, and I think you can even wear this look to the lot of weddings as well. The upcoming season is full of weddings. So I hope you like this video, guys, and if you did, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. It's free. Please help me grow. We have already reached 300 subscribers, my first 300 subscribers. I know that the number is really small, but compared to the effort that I am putting, it means a lot to me. We are now a complete family of 300 members, and this just makes me so happy, guys. So please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed me till now, or if you're just watching me for the first time, then please take a moment and subscribe. It's free, and press on the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get updates from my future videos. We'll be bringing more such beautiful videos for you guys. Till then, just take care of yourself, be happy, stay healthy. Bye.